Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp voice note problem when you can't record, send or play the video's notes. Follow these simple steps and your video notes should start working again. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are doing it correctly. You need to open any of the chats. After that, simply tap on this microphone icon once, and now you need to switch it to the video mode. Then you just have to hold the record round video note, and if it doesn't switch, you just have to continue with the fixes. So in the first step, you just have to simply open your Google Play Store or App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for WhatsApp. Now if you see this type of update button right next to WhatsApp, you just have to tap on it and you need to update your WhatsApp application first. The older versions don't support the video notes properly, so update the application from your phone's app store and you need to reopen it. Now in the step 2, you just have to look for the microphone permissions. For that, simply go to the settings of your phone. Over here in the settings, simply just scroll down and tap on the option of apps. In the apps, tap on the option of app management. Over here in the search bar, simply search for WhatsApp. Now here, once you are inside WhatsApp, tap on the option of manage notifications. Over here, make sure that you have allowed all the notifications. Then simply go to the section of permissions. Over here, tap on the option of microphone. Then make sure that it is set to allow only while using the application, or you can also select it to ask every time, but it is not be selected on the don't allow option. So basically you need to grant the microphone permissions, the storage permissions and the camera permissions this way. Now in the third step, you need to check your internet connection. So if your internet connection is not stable, you can switch between the Wi-Fi and the mobile data and then you can try again. The video notes need a stable internet connection to upload and play. So with the help of these few methods, you will be able to fix the WhatsApp video note problem. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.